What is your favorite Crestone free box story? I can tell you mine. First, I came back here to Colorado and discovered the free box, and sorry. Couple months later, when you know, it shows up completely fixed. So my favorite story about the free box starts back in Connecticut. After clearing my parents' house out after they passed away, my dad had this lamp, and my father had this beautiful lamp that I wanted to bring back, and I shoved it in my car, and while I was traveling it got bounced around, and I was determined to bring that lamp across country to Colorado. And as I was stopping, it was kind of falling apart. For some reason it had sand on the bottom. It was and it didn't quite stand up straight anymore, and it was really hard for me, but I gave this lamp up, just let somebody else have it, because it was totally falling over. And then 2 months later, I go back to the free box, and there's that lamp, totally fixed, not bending over or anything. And I thank the person who fixed my dad's lamp, and I still have it today. So that's my favorite free box story. What is yours? We would love to hear about it. Please like and subscribe, and welcome to Crestone. And I'm so happy and grateful for that person who fixed my dad's lamp. Thank you so much. Praise to the free box.